Taking a full look at weather now, our Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Hey, Dan.
Hey there, Veronica. We mentioned we had some video of the waves crashing in Santa Cruz. We got the bugs out, so take a look at this. This is what you're facing if you're heading to the north side of the bay today. These southerly swells coming in and crashing on the rocks. Not a good time to do tide pooling. Not a good time to be, with your kids, especially young kids, pets, right along the beaches with some of these bigger southerly swells coming in. Again, a beach hazard statement does remain in place through tomorrow for dangerous rip currents and sneaker waves and these large swells coming in, so please be careful. Let's look at the south side of the bay now. Monterey starting to cloud up a little bit. Last hour we showed you the sun shining, but the shadow of the clouds certainly making casting its spell here over the harbor right now in Monterey. Much smaller waves on the south side of the bay, by the way, but we do have some clouds out there. Temperatures responding accordingly. 63 in Monterey, mid-60s Salinas to Watsonville, mid-70s right now in Santa Cruz, 70s and 80s, and even a few 90s, and even a triple digit in Parkville right now, 102 degrees in southern Monterey County. So there's some heat inland. Our visible cloud picture is showing a few low clouds on the south side of the bay still tonight, but no high clouds, no monsoon moisture coming through, no chances of thunderstorms for us today. The moisture, it's a little bit more kept on the other side of the Sierra Nevada. There are some thunderstorms over the Sierra Crest today, but most of the activity and moisture is to the east of that. And we're just kind of sitting in the middle of two weather systems, the bigger ridge off to our east, and then of course a weak trough off to our northwest. So this is really how the setup is going to be for the next week or so. We might see occasionally some high clouds associated with the monsoon, but I'm not expecting any additional rain or dry lightning like we saw yesterday. But we'll see kind of a very usual summer pattern, which means inland heat and on the coast a few low clouds, and those low clouds will thicken tonight. Watch out for patchy fog. The marine layer is still fairly shallow, so we have the potential for some reduced visibility out there tomorrow morning as well, mostly around the bay and into those close by valleys like the northern Salinas Valley. We'll see the potential for some of that fog as we head into the afternoon hours tomorrow. We're going to clear out on the north side of the bay again, but we'll probably hold on to that little strip of clouds. It goes from around Marina to Pacific Grove and Pebble Beach, maybe up to more Moss Landing at times. That's about where the clouds will hang out. You'll get a little sunshine in Sand City tomorrow as we do get that little slice of sunshine that carves out. Why does that happen, by the way? That's a good question if you have that. We just get this little rebound, gravity rebound from the terrain of the wind coming in, and it just creates just a little bit of a downward motion, enough to mix those clouds out. So that's why you get a little sunshine there on the south side of the bay, even with that strip of clouds. Those clouds will thicken again tomorrow night. We might see a few thin high clouds stray by from the east. Temperature-wise tomorrow, still warm for this time of year up in the mountains and inland, and on the coast I'm expecting seasonable temperature. So we're going to get to 97 in Boulder Creek, 88 in Scotts Valley, 78 in Santa Cruz, dropping about 10 degrees both locations. East shore of the bay ranging from 70s in the north to 60s in the south. Salinas and Watsonville in the low 70s tomorrow. Hollister right around 90 and mid to upper 90s in the Santa Clara Valley, so still feeling toasty up in Morgan Hill. You were the hot spot yesterday, Morgan Hill, 103 degrees in our coverage area. Mid 60s in Monterey tomorrow, low 60s in Pacific Grove and Pebble Beach. A little chilly again with those clouds hanging about. And then farther south, we'll see some triple digits, but the higher populated areas in the Salinas Valley, mostly 70s and 80s, too, at the most around 90 degrees. Our coastal forecast showing not a lot of variance over the next 7 days. The normal coastal high this time of year on average is 69 degrees, and we'll be within 1 or 2 degrees of that for the next 7 days. So no big temperature trends for us. What you can expect for the most part is sunshine in Santa Cruz every afternoon, low clouds around the bay in the morning, and we'll probably see some low clouds hold on to the south side of the bay at times during the afternoon. That is really what you can expect for the next week. Inland area is a little bit different, as we do have some temperature trends. Your normal high this time of year is around 86, so we're actually above that for the next several days and then closer to normal through the weekend. But you can expect low clouds in some of the near coastal valleys in the mornings and a few high clouds passing through on Thursday. Otherwise, looking just like a warm, summery forecast for our inland cities. Veronica.